There are a number of confusing and misunderstood geography facts out there. Let's take a look at 20 geography facts that are commonly get mistaken. Fact number 1. Africa is not a country. Africa is actually a continent comprised of 54 unique and distinct countries with different languages, cultures, governments and set of customs and beliefs. Geographically, Africa is the world's second largest continent after Asia and is composed of diverse climates ranging from the Sahara Desert to rainforests. Fact number 2. Holland and the Netherlands are two different things. The difference between Holland and Netherlands is Holland is actually a region on the west coast of Netherlands, while Netherlands is the name of the entire country. So the name Holland refers to just part of the Netherlands. Fact number 3. Sydney is not the capital city of Australia. Australia is one of those countries with a capital city that isn't very well known or densely populated. Some people debate between Sydney and Melbourne when asked what the capital city of Australia is. But the correct answer is actually Canberra. The site of Canberra city was chosen as the location for Australia's capital in 1908 as a compromise between Sydney and Melbourne. Fact number 4. Great Britain and the United Kingdom are not the same. The United Kingdom is a country that includes England, Scotland, Wales and the Northern Ireland. Great Britain is only a part of that, specifically the island that consists of England, Scotland and Wales. Fact number 5. Ireland is not a part of the United Kingdom. We've learned in the fact number 4 that the United Kingdom consists of England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. What we should keep in mind here is that the island of Ireland is split into two different countries, Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland. These are two separate countries. They both use different currencies and they both have different governments and laws. But the Republic of Ireland is not a part of the United Kingdom. It is a completely independent nation that has no sovereign ties with the United Kingdom. Fact number 6. The capital of Canada is not Montreal, not Toronto or not even Vancouver. Surprisingly, none of these cities are the capital of the country despite being more prominent. The capital city of Canada is actually Ottawa. Fact number 7. Puerto Rico is not a sovereign country, but in fact it is one of the territories of the United States of America. It is located in the northeast Caribbean Sea, approximately 1,000 miles southeast of Miami, Florida. Fact number 8. Egypt isn't the country with the most pyramids. When we are talking about Egypt, we immediately started thinking about the iconic pyramids. But on paper, Sudan is the country with the most pyramids. Sudan has between 200 and 250 pyramids compared to Egypt's roughly 138, making Sudan the country with the most pyramids. Fact number 9. Most of Africa's landmass is in the northern hemisphere. Although 2/3 of Africa is really in the northern hemisphere, it is typically thought of as being in the southern hemisphere. Fact number 10. Geneva isn't actually the capital city of Switzerland, and neither is Zurich. Geneva and Zurich are popular tourist destinations for travelers visiting Switzerland, but neither is the capital of the country. The Swiss capital is considered to be the city of Bern. Fact number 11. Spanish is not the only language spoken in South American continent. Most of these South American countries speak Spanish, but some countries speak other languages. Portuguese is the national language of Brazil, the largest country in South America. English is the official language of Guyana, while Dutch is the official language of Suriname. Although technically not a country, French Guiana speaks French. Fact number 12. Canada has the longest coastline in the world. Some people assume that Russia, Australia or USA would be the country with the largest coastline, but it is actually Canada with the longest coastline. The Canadian coastline spans over 243,000 kilometers. Fact number 13. Greenland is not a sovereign country. Although Greenland is geographically a part of the Northern American continent, it has been politically and culturally associated with Europe for about a millennium. Greenland is actually an autonomous country within the Kingdom of Denmark. Fact number 14. The Mississippi is not the longest river in USA. The Mississippi River is 2,202 miles long, whereas the Missouri River is 2,341 miles and therefore takes the title of the longest river in the US. Fact number 15. Cape Town is not the capital city of South Africa. South Africa has 3 capital cities and is one of the few countries in the world that has more than one capital. Cape Town is the legislative capital, Pretoria is the administrative capital, and Bloemfontein is the judicial capital. Fact number 16. Australia is not the largest island in the world. An island is a mass of land that is both entirely surrounded by water and also smaller than a continent. By that definition, Australia cannot be an island because it is already a continent. With over 2.1 million square kilometers, Greenland is the largest island in the world. Fact number 17. There are more countries other than Russia located in both Asian and European continents. We think Russia is the only nation located across Asia and Europe. But Turkey, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan and Georgia also have land areas in both Europe and Asia. Fact number 18. Egypt is also a transcontinental country. Most of us think that Egypt is entirely in Africa. There is a small part of Egypt known as the Sinai Peninsula, which lies on the side of the Suez Canal that is formerly known as Asia. The majority of the country is in Africa. Fact number 19. Istanbul is not the capital of Turkey. It is actually Ankara. Istanbul, however, is the most popular and one of the most attractive cities in Turkey. Fact number 20. Afghanistan is not in the Middle East. Afghanistan is a landlocked country located at the crossroads of Central and South Asia.